Hi, good day, students. Today we'll look at solution to number 9. It's page 107, which is chapter 8, the last chapter in book 3 of the ma1026 booklets. Now, we're given a diagram and we're asked to calculate the angle Q. Okay? And there was a hint there on the page, but I'm going to just go ahead and do it. Well, but what the hint said was to find this little piece of the angle here, right? And they called it A in the hint, and then double it to find angle Q. Okay, so basically, there's the hint there. What we're doing is that very thing. We're going to find this little angle here. I'll call it little angle A, and then Q will be double that. So the first thing I'm going to do is move that triangle ABC. I'm going to sketch that out here a little bit bigger. Okay, let me do that. So we got A, B, so I'll enlarge that triangle ABC. Okay, so there it is right there. Oh, let me put that back to black. Now, so let's label that. This is A, B, C. Now, we're looking for this little angle, and in the hint they tell you to call it angle A. So let's find that little angle A, and then we'll double it to give us angle Q. Okay? Now, what measurements do we know? Well, look at this one here, 25.94 centimeters. That's the horizontal, so that's the same as this piece right here, 25.94. So AC, I'll write that again down here, is 25.94 centimeters. Now, we need side BC, or we need hypotenuse AB to find that angle A, the little angle A right here. So, how are we going to do that? Well, BC is, no, there's another a value given here, 16.22. That's for all of that full line. So this side BC is half of that. So 16.22 divided by 2, divided by 2, is equal to 8 point, it looks to be 8.211, right? So 16 divided by 2 is 8.11 centimeters. That means this piece is 8.11 and this piece is 8.11, giving you a total of, right, 16.22 for both of them. So this is 8.11 right here. Okay? So now we can find that small angle A. Alright, so now let's decide which one we're going to use. Let's see, what is this? According to A, this is opposite. So this is opposite, and according to A, this side would be adjacent. So we need to use the ratio that involves opposite and adjacent, and that is indeed tan. So the tan of little a, they called small a in the hint up here, see, is equal to the opposite side, which is 8.11, divided by the adjacent side, 25.94. Now if you want the angle, that means you must do the inverse tan of those values. So we're doing the inverse tan of 8.11 over 25.94. So let's bring up Mr. Handy Calculator here, and we'll do just that. So second function, inverse tan. So anytime you want the angle, you got to use the minus tan to the -1 button, or sine to the -1, or cos to the -1, depending which one you're using, divided by 25.94. And let's see what we get. It's 19.47, okay, or 19.5 degrees. Okay. Oh, someone says okay. Oh, I do see a mistake. Do you see it? Let's see if you Notice there's a typing mistake. It should be 25.94. So let me bring that back and fix it. Change that to 5. Okay, 25.94. Enter. So it's 17.4. So little angle A is 17.4 degrees. Now we're looking for Q, and Q of course is the big angle here, the whole angle right there. So we need to double that value. So angle Q is equal to 2 times A, or twice A, right? Which is 2 times 17.4, okay, which turns out to be 34.8, I think, degrees. Now, does it say to the nearest? Most times they go to the nearest angle. I'll say 35 degrees just to be safe. So either or will do fine there. I don't think the instructions tell us. No, it just says to find angle Q. Didn't tell us how many decimal places. So 34.8 degrees or 35 degrees. That's the answer to number 9 on page 107.